What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of SV's Auto, and today I'm going to get some panels put on this bus, hopefully. Last time I said I was going to make a metal brake and looked online, found some plans, things like that, and then I decided I couldn't beat Harbor Freight's price with a 20% coupon. So I have that now. And we're going to see if we can use this to fold some 90s to make some repairs on that. So come check it out. Alright, so I think I'm going to start with this one here, give a little test bins and see what we can do here. So I've got to make 90, 90, 90, so there's a couple of them need to be made in that, so that it can look like that side over there. So I'm going to get started doing that. I'm going to cut out my rough shape and then see what we can get accomplished here. Okay, so welded in. Used the MIG welder for the plug welds and then the TIG for everything else. So I'm going to get the grinder out, grind it down, and see what it looks like. Ground down, but not perfect, but I think body filler will take care of the imperfections there. But there is no more rust, so that's a plus. So I'm not sure now if I'm going to try to tackle this giant piece here or move on to this area where I need to cut that out and fit something in there. Okay, I'm going to attempt to put this panel in now. I think I'm going to start on this side. I can't get behind that side, so I'm going to try to tack all along this way and work my way across. I can kind of contour as I go. I can reach, from about this area over to get this in. So I think that's how I'm going to approach this. We'll see how it turns out. One thing with TIG that I am learning is the tighter you can get your spacing, the less likely you are to blow out. So we'll see how this one goes. The one below I blew out and had to put another little piece in. I hope I don't have to do that this time. I would like to be able to just get it in and then move on to something else. So it's in. It's not gorgeous. Need to try to get behind it and pound it out a little. It's got a little divot here, but I think it'll work well. Even if I can't get all of that divot out, body filler will fill that, and there won't be a 1/2 inch like there was before. Alright, well thanks for watching another episode of SV's Auto. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe below, follow us on the FaceTubes and the Instagram, and we'll see you next time.